These days, IoT and smart devices come with this promise to automate a lot of our everyday tasks. We have vacuum cleaners that are robotic, that can automatically clean our floors. We have fridges that can automatically deliver groceries for us. And on the surface, it seems very convenient. But coming into this project, I kind of recognized there was a hidden cost to all this automation, which is that we'd risk losing our sense of connection to the products and services that we enjoy and that we consume. But the overall question that I'm trying to answer here is, can IoT systems make us inherently more connected to the products and services that we use rather than less? Applying this to my life, I am notoriously bad at taking care of plants. I always forget to water them. I think I've killed maybe 3 plants in my life. So the classic IoT solution here would be to build a system that automatically takes care of the plant and senses the moisture, the light conditions, waters it itself, and I don't even have to lift a finger. But when I thought about it, it kind of hit me that I still want to take care of my plant. Otherwise, it would just become a bit of furniture to me. I wanted to take care of this living thing. I wanted to nurture it, but I'm terrible at it. So, thinking about how I can solve this, I came to one logical answer, and that was cyberbullying. See, I think if my plant could publicly shame me for not taking care of it, A, that would improve my relationship with the plant, and then B, it would actually motivate me to take care of it. It's all housed in this module. It's powered by a Raspberry Pi Zero. I'm using a light sensor, a soil moisture sensor, and then a temperature/humidity sensor, which is all connected to the Raspberry Pi. So the sensors feed real-time data into a MongoDB Atlas database every 30 seconds. This data from MongoDB Atlas is then called into my web app in order to be processed. So this is an overview of the Cyberbullying Plant dashboard. The plant is right behind me, as you can see, and it has the sensor module inside it, so it's taking readings currently. This is the overall dashboard. The first section is the plant's message or the plant's tweet. So it does this once every day, and it looks at a 24-hour moving average of each of the 4 sensors, temperature, humidity, soil moisture, and light. And then it detects where these values are outside the range, and it flags this up as mistreatment of the plant. This information is then passed on to the LLM model that I'm calling, which in this case is GPT-4o Mini, and it generates a tweet, and it uses user input data here to at the user directly in order to get their attention on Twitter, or X, apologies. So if I click onto X, we can see the account that I've set up for the plant, and you can see the different tweets that we have talking to me. Anyway, moving on, we have the current readings coming from the plant. This is being done once every 30 seconds for each of the different sensors that we have. And then we have an ideal conditions section where you can adjust the ideal ranges for each of those parameters, and that is fed into the moving average that we saw before. And then finally, we see historical data for each of the sensors for different time frames, and then also the visual representation of the ideal conditions mentioned previously.